Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, February 8th, 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to quickly talk about Elrond here. We just hit $200 today, guys. $200 for Elrond. Literally, what, a couple weeks ago, not even 1 week ago, we were somewhere around the $68 region. And from that all the way to here, $233, 233%, sorry. And that's absolutely crazy, right? The fact that the way these altcoins have been moving is something else, and the volatility is crazy. And yeah, it's just something. It's very exciting to see these pumps happen over time. So overall, today on the daily, we've been up almost up to 54% from all the way down here at 128. We reached all the way to the 199.86, so close to the 200. And I don't see any signs of retracement yet on the daily candle. Momentum, nothing showing. RSI, we're oversold, but I don't see that happening except for that wick over here, and then the volume is decreasing, but we still have 12 hours to go for the day, so no signs of reversal on this time frame. But if we zoom down here, maybe to the 1 hour, we'll see a couple things that are a bit telling, right? So these are the clear resistance/support lines you were seeing with Elrond, right? So we're going through up here. We found the resistance, the 128. We struggled a bit, so we usually go pump above, even if we go here, right? Just want to see how this price action specifically to Elrond goes, right? So we go up here, for example. We create that distance between our 21 EMA and 55 and 8 EMA, and then we go sideways for a bit. We struggle, and as soon as we meet those EMAs again, we pump above, and then we skyrocket, right? Then we meet our next resistance, 128, go sideways for a bit, create that distance between the 21 EMA and 8 EMA, and we go sideways for a bit until we close that gap again. We struggle, we try to push, sellers come in, and then boom, as soon as we break above and close above, we shoot right back up. And the most recent resistance that, before we got to this one over here, to this pump today, we went to 148, so I'd say 150. And we had a bit of resistance over here. We went back down. We created that distance between the EMAs, went downwards at this time. We didn't go sideways, and then we shot right back up, and boom, right. So now, right now on the 1 hour, literally not this one, not the one before at 5 o'clock here, my time. Maybe my time zone here is not. But anyway, so the two previous candles here, we saw that we pushed all the way to the 200, and obviously, a lot of people are trying to take profit, and then we actually pushed back down all the way to the 184. Next candle, obviously, if you watch our videos, we always say the same thing. As soon as we see like a major run up and some sort of retracement on this, right? So if we're looking here, went all the way up to here, and then retrace back almost, I would say, 45%. So anything above 25, 30, around that region is actually, just shows you that, sellers are coming in to take profit. Next candle here, we're seeing, indecisiveness. We're seeing that the buyers tried to push all the way back up. Then they got closed down. Then the sellers could try to push all the way back down. And then we actually decided to agree on the same price for the candle around $184, right? 185. And now we're seeing, that we're probably trying to see that retracement actually trying to happen right now, because even if you're looking at this candle, right, you have a major run up, then you have a retracement, and then the next candle is a bit indecisive, then you get another indecisive candle, I guess, then you drop down a bit. So I think that's what Elrond's trying to do right now. We're trying to have that retracement volume. We created that distance already. We're seeing that our volume is actually decreasing, so which is telling me that, as soon as even the previous hourly candle here, we went all the way up, and now as soon as you see a major run up, then you start seeing that the volume is decreasing, right? You start seeing that it's just telling you basically that less and less people are interested in this, most recent trend, which is the uptrend right now. So just a bit of a clear sign that, less and less people are actually interested in this. And then you typically see, that the volume starts to rise again, but more for the sellers. And we're trying to see that retracement again. So now, even in terms of the momentum, I'm seeing that how much we have. We have the hourly candle just closed, and it should be, I think this is the most recent candle right here. So this is the most recent candle. We're seeing that, obviously from here, we're going boom, boom, it was just very parabolic. And then this one here, this is the distance between momentum bars, it's actually decreasing as we go. So it makes sense for us to have a retracement sometime soon. And even if we go to the let's see here, maybe to the 30-minute. This is what's happening on the 30-minute, right? I think the most telling thing right now is our stochastic RSI and the actual RSI. Every time we're at the top somewhere here, every time the stochastic RSI is all the way at the top, it starts to wanting to go down. And that, in terms of price action, tells us that we want to go sideways for a bit, or we want to retrace back down to try to find some sort of support at DMAs, right? So we saw that here. We're seeing that also here. Same thing, as soon as we reach all these highs, stochastic is all the way up top, starts to downtick again, and then we'll either have a retracement back to find, to find that support at the previous resistance, and then push back up when we actually get all the way to the bottom. And that's what I'm seeing here already, right? So we need to give it a bit of breathing room. I think our next support is at the 167. It's pretty clear. That's why we pumped that much. And if that doesn't hold, then I think even a healthy retracement back to the 148 is also warranted, and would still keep us. It would still keep us very, very bullish, right? So honestly, the fact that we touched that $200 doesn't. I don't think we even got all the way there. To be honest, I think we got to just literally like maybe 70 cents away from that. So I think we're most likely going to continue on pushing up. We need to find that support at the 167, and if that doesn't hold, we need to find that support at the 148. And if that doesn't hold, then that's a completely different story, right? So we need to see, do we still have enough gas to push past the 200 here? I think a typical scenario might be where we go boom and then try to go back up and then start having some sort of an ascending triangle where the buyers are coming in at a higher rate as opposed to the sellers. So we can have something like this. So just drop down here. We go back up to retest. We're so close to it, guys. It's not like it's a crazy thing to not do that, right? Then we come back again here, maybe a higher low, go back up, higher low, go back up, and then, a lot of volatility happens here until we break down, boom, and actually continue to go up. So that's what I think is going to happen with Elrond. Let's see how it plays out. It's pretty interesting. I hope you guys are, making money, making profits here. And let me know if I missed anything. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join our Discord, join our Patreon, and thank you for watching.